Good afternoon, children.
අපි ගණ්ඩය ගත්තා ගෙදරක් මැන්ෂන් එක ඒක බලන්න තමයි දෙයන්න යන්නේ. අපි ගිහිල්ලා බලමු කොහොමද මැන්ෂන් එක තියෙන්නේ කියලා.
අපේ කවුද මේක ආදාන්නේ මේ ගෙදර කවුද මම මතකද නම පොඩි ගානක් නෝනා තාම මතකද
යන්නේ.
මේ බය වෙයිද දන්නේ නැහැ අද මේකේ කොයි මේක වැම්පයර් කෙනෙක් යනවා කියන එක දන්නේ
ඔව්. රතු බල් ලයිට් කාගේ.
ඕහෝ ලිස්සනවා මම හිතන්නේ නේද මේක දකින්නේ නේ යලිමින්ද ලිස්සනවා
ඔව්. මරු පොඩි වාහන පේන්නේ නැහැ. උඩින් යනකොට.
දන්නේ නැහැ කියන්න විශාල
මාත් රස.
ඒ කාගෙන පොඩි එකට යන්නත් තියෙනවා
ඔව්.
මම හිතන්නේ මේක
මදිනා වඩ.
එයාලා කියපු මේක අපිට දෙන්න මේක යනවා
ඒ මාව ඔය වාහනේට දාගන්න.
අයින නත්තන්න ඒ මේක මට දැකලා පුරුදු වෙයි
යා.
හරි අප්පා
හරි.
මොකද මේ වෙන්නේ අම්මට සරි
Congratulations, buyer. Welcome to one of the most desirable properties in southern San Andreas. You've also got me, Angel, your AI assistant, to make sure you have everything you need. Can I call you Mommy? Let me show you around the place. You're gonna love it. Your office is the beating heart of your work-home interface. Here you can keep an eye on any and all of your business assets while barely lifting a finger. Downstairs,
business
there's your
ටික ඔක්කොම handle
garage
කරන්න
and
පුළුවන්.
secure vault.
ඒකනේ මේ මොකක්ද
Between all your hard work, I
ලොක
hope you
එකක්
take
නේ
care of yourself.
ඈ?
Maybe indulge in some
අන්තිමට පෙන්නන
pampering
ලොක
once in a
එකක්
while.
නේ
There's the spa,
සේෆ් එක.
indoor and outdoor
ඔයාගේ මේ
pools.
සල්ලි මේ account එක වැඩියෙන් ඔතන පෙන්නනවා.
Knock knock, mommy. There's somebody at the door.
ඕන් එනවා. මයික.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Yeah, welcome.
අම්මට සරි මේ වයසට ගිහිල්ලා
When we saw the house
Oh.
was taken, we were going to send a gift basket, but we thought since we live on the same side of town, we should just stop by.
Michael, good to meet you.
Oh, I love this. This is Zelma Bosch, right? Oh, honey, you know her. She's always trying to get her work into one of your films.
Oh, right.
Oh my gosh, look at this view.
Nice.
Wow. You don't mind, do you? I saw a tour of this in Ideal Living magazine, and I'm just dying to have a look around. Now this is...
මයිකල් මරුනේ.
ඒකනේ
Our dining
කාලෙක.
chairs are by the same designer, aren't they, Michael?
කවුද මෙයාත් වෙනස් වෙලා නේද
Did you get ripped off too?
Ugh,
කවුද
ignore
මේ?
him.
මගේ නම මොකද්ද?
Oh, it's a cigar
Amanda.
room, Michael. You should have a cigar room.
Now that I could really get behind.
In our house, the living room is our cigar room.
Hey, honey.
තව අලුත් කරක්ටර් එකක් කෙනෙක් ඉස්සර බලන්න.
Cops in the kitchen?
ඉතිරි කෙනෙක් කියලා.
No,
Oh
ඉරාට
my God.
කවුද අපි
they
දන්න
are
කවුද
not onyx. Are... Oh my God, I love onyx.
අපි ඒක
You've been flying under the radar, pal.
තියන්නේ
Surprise
මොකක්ද?
එක.
This.
A surprise again.
We got a lot of the same friends, you and me. What I hear, you've been busy.
And these fittings!
Okay, well, this isn't necessarily my business, but we got a lot of people I trust that seem to trust you, so
මේක මොනේ?
let's stay in touch, yeah?
නෑ නෑ
We're
පාර
ready.
උදව් කරන්න දීලා තිනවා
Of
එක.
course we are.
Hmm.
Did you check out that place in Tongva Hills? You didn't buy that too, did you? That previous owner, he wasn't very nice.
I'm
Oh,
sorry,
me no
I didn't
යාළුවෙක්.
know you already had guests.
Ah,
මේක
forgive the intrusion.
මතකනේ
I have stayed
මතකනේ
in the
මාටින්ද නේ?
development of these places, just
Story mode එකේ
checking
හිටියා.
to see if everything is in order.
අර
Wonderful
මුල්ම හරියට
crew
පෙන්නනවා
you
නේ.
have
මතක
here.
නැහැ කියන්නේ.
I'm so happy to see
මට
you
එහෙම
doing so
මිච්චි එන්නේ
well
මට
for
නේද මේ
yourself.
මූණ අයන හොරු.
Mr. DeSanta, this is an unexpected pleasure, truly. I am Mr. Faber. Perhaps you have heard my name.
Yeah, I heard it. Banking, right?
Yes, indeed. Your last picture, that was a success. I have always admired your work.
Yeah, somehow I doubt that.
Oh, you are too modest. And I didn't know the two of you were associates.
No, just met.
Well, perhaps the three of us can work together. Now that would be a dream team, as they say. And you must be Mrs. DeSanta. Another pleasure. Now, do excuse me. I am in Los Santos to hear a Series C pitch. Driverless taxis. You've probably seen them around. Meantime, if you should need anything at all, my people are everywhere. Huh?
ඔව්.
Well, you got his attention. You want my
Hey.
advice? Watch yourself with that guy. With assholes like that, it's all smiles and hand jobs. Till it ain't.
Michael, come on. The sun deck.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is so nice. Michael and I are empty nesters now with too much time on our hands. And our son is finally moving away from home.
Here. You know, this is a nice neighborhood. I think you're gonna fit right in. You have
මොකක්ද
any
කාර්ඩ්
problems, though? Let me know, right?
මේ
නම්බර්
මේව කාඩ් එක.
All right.
ඔව්.
Come on,
මේ
sweetheart.
කාඩ් එක.
Let's give our new friend here a little time to unpack.
Enjoy your new home.
අම්මා එන සිටි පොඩ්ඩක් තේරෙන්නේ ටිකක්.
Hey, nice friends you got there. Trust me, I know the type.
I have great news. The property is safe and secure. Don't sweat over anything, okay? I'll handle the mess. I've ordered extra champagne, a new terminal, and a cleaning crew is on the way.
Ah. Fucking A. I still got it. Oh, hey. If you see my wife, you did all this, yeah? All right. Hey, I'll see you around, neighbor. Oh, hey, honey. Yeah, I'll be home in 10. Yeah, I was just, taking care of an HOA violation.